welcome to my Sim Studio project for Headstarter. This is an attempt at implementing something that I wasn't able to complete within the time constraint, but I'm still going to walk you through my process and what I was able to get done. So the goal of this project was to create a chat feature separated from the workflow, as you can see here. We have the workflow window, or tab rather, and the chat tab, right? So here you would be able to discuss or ask questions to an AI about something within the workflow or some other type of implementation that may be relevant and creating a project with SimStudio. So unfortunately, this feature isn't quite working as expected at the moment. So right now, if I press something like hello and then send, nothing's happening. So it's a bit unfortunate, but I've added other such features such as file upload and a trace view where you can trace the active NCP tools logs and see NCP traces. And this is all it was able to do for the front end. In the back end, sort of like the implementation is I've added a few more TypeScript files that kind of keep track of the chat log and the NCP trace, but unfortunately within the time constraints I wasn't able to complete everything in time or debug enough. Had a very busy week, but I tried a few different things. Like, for example, the first thing I tried obviously was just to create TypeScript files and then have it work within SimStudio. But for some reason, that I somewhat suspect, but maybe in future iterations I'll come back around and then see what I can fix. But I've also tried a config file that ended up not working too well, and a React file that also didn't really change much. So yeah, that's about it. But in future iterations, I'd hopefully be able to get this up and running. I actually really liked creating a new tab within the project because I feel like it's a pretty interesting idea and a pretty not quite high level, just something really nice to have for a project, right? A built-in AI agent chat interface. Anybody could use that for the project nowadays. Like if I were to create something like SimStudio or Pewter, I would love to have this kind of feature. So this is not my forte, but hopefully in the future I'll be able to create something where this works perfectly. So yeah, that's about it. Thank you for watching.